Believe it or not, when she doesn't call or text you, it's not always what it seems on the surface. Many times, society conditions us to interpret silence as rejection, as disinterest, or as a lack of affection. But female psychology teaches us something far deeper and more nuanced. Silence in her world is often a reflection of thoughtfulness, self-protection, or emotional regulation. It is not an empty void, but a space where she processes, evaluates, and understands her feelings. Women communicate differently than men. While verbal expression is a tool, her emotions are often processed internally first. This means that when she does not reach out immediately, she might be weighing her thoughts, understanding her feelings, or simply giving herself the mental space she needs to respond with clarity and sincerity. Her silence can carry more meaning than any rushed message. And understanding this is key to appreciating her perspective. It is crucial to note that when she chooses not to initiate contact, it does not diminish her interest or her emotional investment. Women operate on a complex balance of intuition, emotional awareness, and timing. She might be waiting for the right moment to share, to engage, or to connect in a way that feels genuine and safe. Immediate outreach is not always a priority, but that does not equate to a lack of care. Recognizing the difference between absence and emotional absence is essential for anyone trying to understand female psychology. Furthermore, her silence can be a form of self-expression. It may signal independence, self-respect, or boundaries. Women often navigate social and emotional pressures, and choosing when and how to communicate allows her to maintain her emotional equilibrium. This selective communication is not a game or manipulation. It is an innate understanding of her own mental and emotional resources. By acknowledging this, we move from frustration to comprehension and from expectation to empathy. Another important aspect is the role of actions versus words. While she may not always verbally reach out, her actions often speak volumes. The way she engages when present, the effort she puts into meaningful moments, and the emotional energy she invests in connection are far more revealing than any constant texting pattern. Women often prioritize quality over quantity, depth over frequency, and intention over obligation. Understanding this principle is crucial in reading the real signals of her behavior. In conclusion, when she does not call or text, it is not a deficiency or a failure. It is a reflection of her internal world, her emotional strategy, and her natural rhythm. To truly understand women, one must move beyond surface-level interpretations and appreciate the complexity of her psychology. Silence in her context can be powerful, intentional, and revealing. By learning to interpret her patterns with patience, empathy, and insight, we develop not only stronger relationships, but also a greater understanding of human behavior itself. Believe it or not, when she doesn't call or text you, it is rarely as simple as it appears on the surface. Many people automatically interpret silence as a lack of interest, as neglect, or as a signal that feelings have faded. However, female psychology operates on layers far more intricate than that. A woman's decision to pause communication is rarely random. It is a reflection of her inner thought processes, her emotional boundaries, and her way of managing connection without losing herself in the process. Understanding this pattern requires patience, empathy, and an awareness of how she experiences and expresses emotion. Women often process feelings internally before sharing them. While men are often conditioned to express feelings immediately, women tend to assess, analyze, and feel their emotions fully before taking action. When she does not reach out, she might be evaluating her emotions, considering the timing of her response, or reflecting on the nature of her relationship. This is not disinterest. It is a deliberate approach to communication that prioritizes thoughtfulness and authenticity over speed. The absence of a message is not the absence of care. It is often a sign that she wants her outreach to carry meaning, intention, and clarity when it does occur. It is also crucial to recognize that silence can be a form of emotional strategy. Women are taught, consciously or unconsciously, to navigate emotional interactions carefully. She might not call or text because she is maintaining her independence, establishing boundaries, or protecting her emotional energy. This is an essential part of her psychology and is not indicative of manipulation or indifference. Her decision to pause communication reflects her understanding of herself and her needs. Learning to respect this process is a major step in understanding female psychology and in building meaningful emotional connections. The timing and context of her outreach are just as important as the act itself. Women often communicate based on when it feels right emotionally, socially, and mentally. She may wait until she has clarity about her feelings, until she feels her thoughts are fully formed, or until she senses that her message will be received with the attention it deserves. Immediate response is not always her priority, but presence, consistency, and quality of engagement when she does reach out matter significantly. Her silence is rarely an accidental void. It is a space where she is observing, reflecting, and ensuring that her actions align with her emotional truth. Actions often reveal more than words. When she does not text or call, her actions, attention, and engagement elsewhere are the real indicators of her feelings and intentions. The way she invests her time, the effort she puts into shared moments, and the energy she contributes to maintaining connection are often far more revealing than constant messaging. Women typically value depth over frequency, intention over obligation, and quality over quantity in communication. Observing these patterns provides insight into her priorities and demonstrates that her silence does not diminish her care or interest. It simply reflects her natural approach to expressing herself. Silence can also serve as a mirror of introspection. Women often require quiet moments to process experiences, reflect on relationships, and understand their own emotions. A lack of immediate communication is sometimes her way of ensuring that she responds from a place of emotional clarity rather than reactive impulse. This is not avoidance or neglect, it is self-awareness in action. Recognizing the value of this introspection can transform how we perceive female communication. Silence, in this context, is powerful, intentional, and informative. It provides a window into her inner world, revealing her thoughtful, deliberate, and emotionally intelligent nature. It is important to move away from assumptions that equate absence with indifference. Understanding female psychology means recognizing that communication is more than frequency. It is intentionality, timing, and emotional alignment. When she does not call or text, it is often a reflection of her priorities and the way she manages her relationships thoughtfully. She may be balancing her time, protecting her emotional resources, or ensuring that her interactions are meaningful. The absence of a message should prompt understanding rather than worry, empathy rather than judgment. By appreciating this nuance, we elevate our emotional intelligence and foster a healthier, more informed perspective on human connection. When she does not call or text, many people immediately jump to conclusions. They assume disinterest, rejection, or emotional withdrawal. However, female psychology teaches us that silence often has far more meaning than the presence of constant communication. Her decision to pause or delay outreach is rarely random. It is deliberate and intentional. It is shaped by her understanding of herself, her emotional boundaries, and her priorities. Recognizing this can completely change the way one interprets her behavior. Silence is not emptiness, it is a reflection of thought, processing, and emotional intelligence at work. Women are naturally more introspective when it comes to emotional matters. While some may interpret a lack of text or call as indifference, it often indicates that she is considering her feelings carefully before expressing them. Immediate communication is not always her goal. Clarity, authenticity, and intentionality are. She may be assessing the nature of her connection, reflecting on her own emotions, or preparing herself to engage in a way that feels meaningful and true. In essence, her silence is a signal of depth, not distance. It is an indication that she values quality interactions over quantity and wishes to communicate from a place of emotional honesty rather than habit or expectation. It is also important to understand that her silence may reflect emotional independence. Women often balance their social and personal lives carefully, and she may choose to withhold messages to maintain her autonomy. She does not rely on constant communication to validate her feelings or her priorities. Her decision to not call or text immediately is a reflection of self-awareness and self-respect. It is a subtle but powerful indicator that she manages her emotional resources thoughtfully and avoids unnecessary overextension in her relationships. Understanding this principle shifts the focus from impatience to respect, from expectation to appreciation, and from assumption to observation. Timing and context are critical in interpreting female communication. She may wait to reach out until the moment feels right emotionally, socially, and mentally. Her silence may not reflect a lack of interest, but rather a deliberate choice to communicate when the conditions align with her intentions and emotional readiness. It is not uncommon for women to prioritize moments when their messages can be received with attention and sincerity rather than when convenience dictates action. Observing the rhythm of her communication over time provides a clearer understanding of her priorities and the genuine value she places on the connection. Actions are often more telling than words in understanding female psychology. Even if she does not initiate contact, her engagement in other ways can reveal her intentions and emotional investment. The effort she puts into shared moments, the attention she gives during interactions, and the energy she dedicates to meaningful experiences are all indicators of her care and focus. Women frequently prioritize depth and intention over constant verbal affirmation. Recognizing this principle is essential in interpreting her behavior accurately and avoiding misreading her silence as disinterest or detachment. Her silence may also serve as a protective mechanism. Women often navigate a complex web of emotional and social expectations, and choosing when to communicate is a way of safeguarding their mental and emotional energy. By taking time before reaching out, she ensures that her engagement is intentional, genuine, and aligned with her personal standards. This does not mean she is indifferent. It means she is thoughtful, reflective, and emotionally intelligent. Understanding this aspect of her psychology fosters empathy and reduces the likelihood of misinterpretation. It is crucial to approach her silence with patience and perspective. Female communication is often nuanced, driven by emotional complexity and a desire for meaningful connection. When she does not call or text immediately, it is not a reflection of her feelings for you, but rather an expression of her natural rhythm, priorities, and inner reflection. By observing her actions, respecting her boundaries, and interpreting her silence with care, one gains valuable insight into her psychology. It teaches the importance of patience, the value of empathy, and the need to see beyond surface-level assumptions. In summary, when she does not call or text, it is rarely an indication of indifference. Her silence reflects thought, emotional intelligence, autonomy, and a desire for meaningful communication. She may be introspecting, prioritizing quality interactions, or managing her emotional energy. Timing, context, and actions provide a clearer understanding of her intentions than constant verbal communication ever could. Recognizing the subtle cues in her behavior allows for a more informed, empathetic approach to connection. Her silence is not absence. It is a space filled with intention, reflection, and emotional strategy. Appreciating this transforms perception into understanding, frustration into patience, and assumption into insight. By learning to interpret her patterns thoughtfully, one develops not only a deeper connection, but also greater awareness of human behavior and emotional intelligence.